So this symbol square test you have to create this one in your computer and discuss in this video. For doing this, first you must open the Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, and after that you must type like this 29C6. So in your computer keyboard you must just simply type like this 29 then C6. So after typing like this, you must go to your keyboard, and there you can see this alt key and this S key. So one of your fingers should be in this alt key and another is in this S key. So you must press these two keys at the same time, and you can see that this is the result. So remember, after typing 29C6, you can press these two keys at the same time, this alt key and S key, these two keys at the same time for creating a symbol like this. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.